Bend the indoor unit's copper pipe 90 degrees up carefully to prevent pipe from twisting. Please note that the bending root of this pipe is subjected to the location of the hole drilled. Please conduct a final visual inspection on the drain hose connection at the back of the indoor unit. To make the hooking process easier, use a black tape to tape the indoor unit's copper pipe, drain hose and connecting wire together. To make sure the pipes remain attached firmly, it's recommended to tape them at a minimum of 3 points. Assure that the arrangement of copper pipes, drain hose and connecting wire are as shown. Next, insert the connecting wire, drain hose and the piping into the drill hole. Install the air conditioner by hooking it onto the installation plate at the hinges provided. Ensure the hooks are properly seated on the installation plate and 2 latches at the bottom of the unit are latched properly. Confirm this by moving the indoor unit to the left and right. At the outdoor side, bend the indoor unit copper pipes that penetrate through the wall 90 degrees downwards. Measure the required installation piping length and mark the cutting point. Remove the union nut for piping process usage. Remember to cover the opening of the copper pipes to prevent impurities from entering. Again, remove the union nut from outdoor unit for piping process usage and cover the opening of the valves. Remember, pipes must always be dry, clean and tight.